Hello guys, welcome to EJ Exclusive Craft. This is where you will find some good DIY videos on how to make some home decorations and also for parties. I hope you enjoy this video today. Please like, share and subscribe. Into this video I will be making a flower vase out of bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. In this video I'll be using my spray paint. I will be using the bowls that I got from Dollar Tree. These are transparent bowls, and also I will be using my E6000 glue, and I have my dry foam and also some beautiful flowers. Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy this video. Thank you. Now we have our beautiful flower vase. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.